Tell me about the clinic, the one you worked at.
The clinic is a generous name for what it was. More like a slaughterhouse. No signage, no records, nothing legitimate. Just a shell. From the outside it looked like a runaway storage unit in the middle of nowhere. They called it the clean cut. That's how they sold it to people who were desperate. Desperate enough to walk through those doors hoping to leave with a couple of $1,000 in their pocket. But what they didn't realize was what they would left without.
And what did you do there?
It was just a surgeon. At first, it seemed like a regular operation until I realized that the patients weren't there for a transplant. They were the donors. Voluntary or not, it didn't matter to the people running the place. We would sedate them, strap them down, and once they were under, the orders would come through. Kidneys, liver, lungs. Sometimes it was even the heart. Anything that would fetch the higher price on the black market.
Did you ever try to stop them?
Stop them? There's no stopping them. You cannot stop a machine like that. You see, once you're in, there's no way out. You're either a part of the machine or you're possessed by it. The money, the threats, once they had you, they owned you. Sometimes I thought I could refuse, but they would example me with those who tried. The screams I heard from the back rooms, it wasn't always the patients. Sometimes it was one of us.
And you, did you take part in it?
Of course I did. I didn't have a choice. I would take the scalpel and I would flash. I would eject the organ of the person who would never woke up again.
And the clinic, what happened to it?
I'm more than sure that they're still working. They might change the name, the address, different locations, same thing. You see, I'm more than sure they're still cutting